Welcome to our channel. Discover how to verify your TranscribeMe account today with a simple step-by-step guide that anyone can follow. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the entire process of verifying your TranscribeMe account quickly and correctly. Whether you are new to transcription or just starting with TranscribeMe, this guide will help you get your account up and running in no time. First, visit the official TranscribeMe website and locate the login section. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to register by providing your email, creating a password, and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once your account is created, check your email inbox for a verification message from TranscribeMe. This email contains a link that you must click to confirm your email address. It's important to act on this promptly to avoid any delays. After clicking the verification link, log into your TranscribeMe account using your credentials. The next step is to complete the necessary profile information. Make sure to fill in all required fields such as your name, address, and payment details if applicable. This information ensures that you get paid correctly and helps with account verification. TranscribeMe often requires additional identity verification, such as submitting a government-issued ID. Prepare a clear photo or scan of your ID and upload it through the designated section in your account dashboard. Follow the guidelines for acceptable documents and formats to prevent rejection. After submitting your ID, TranscribeMe's team will review your documents. This process may take a few hours up to a couple of days, so be patient. You will receive a notification once your account has been fully verified. To recap the key points: register your account, confirm your email via the verification link, complete your profile information, and submit your ID for identity verification. Maintaining accuracy and following each step carefully ensures a smooth verification experience. Remember, a verified TranscribeMe account opens the door to transcription tasks and earning opportunities. Don't forget to double-check your spam folder if you do not see the verification email in your inbox. Lastly, always keep your account information up to date to avoid any verification issues later. Thank you for watching this detailed step-by-step guide on verifying your TranscribeMe account efficiently. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on transcription and freelancing opportunities. Happy transcribing!